Hi everybody, it's raining here in the Philippines and it's strong rain at the moment outside. I'll take a video. So, because we can't go out, I supposed to buy some oil to cook our fries. So I decided not to, and I just lie down on bed of Fame. This is Fame's room. Then I'll comb my hair because I really love mess. But my hair this time is short. Last time it's here, you know. So God bless you everyone. Happy weekend. Happy Friday. Thanks God it's Friday, but still no class here in the Philippines. And but today it's Fame's practice as a band member of her in her school. So she is the what we call you, baby. You mother majorette.
Majorette leader.
Majorette leader.
Band leader.
Okay.